Hello viewers, today we got the Brio water filter. I purchased the 2-filter system, advanced system, 2-filter countertop filter system, and I'm going to install it to the back of the water hose for the refrigerator here. I'm going to use the water hose to connect it directly. I'm going to put the unit to the side of the fridge here. Put it right here. So we're going to unbox it and install it. Các bạn nào người Việt Nam muốn uống nước đừng có dùng mấy cái chai nước nữa thì mua cái máy này. Cái máy này hiệu là Brio countertop. Cái máy này nó có hai cái filter lớn lắm. Máy này mua online đó, cái website của nó đó. So the unit has 2 large filter on here. They come with a 2 large filter. And hai cái này là hai cái lọc nước của nó. Cái máy này thì nhỏ để trên cái kệ đây nè. So you put on a countertop. Mở nó ra. Unbox it. Máy này thì nó đang sale. Nó là khoảng 400 mấy mà giờ nó còn 300 mấy. Và discount 15% nó còn 280 đồng. So this unit is on sale with about $400, and I got discount price for Black Friday, $280. It's a pretty big unit, actually. Cũng hơi bự á.
Ok.
Vừa. I think it fit here.
Ok, mình cảm ơn.
Yeah, not too tall. I think it's okay.
Ok. Vừa đó.
Yeah, I think okay. Let me. We're trying to put it right here. Trying to test. Let me see if it fit there. Let me get it out.
Okay. Oh, good job.
Oh yeah, perfect, Lou.
Oh
Yeah, it's it right there. Yeah, so I'm putting it right here, right next to here. It fit. It's another 1 inch, and so it's good clearance. And let me see.
Even.
Yeah, it's perfect. So let me take this out. Yeah, so the unit has the LED UV technology on there. So you got the hot, room temperature, and cold water. And so we're going to connect it next to the outlet for the refrigerator. So cái máy này nó có nước nóng, nước mát với nước lạnh. Yeah. So không cần dùng cái nước ấm nữa, trong cái ấm nữa. Cái này phải clean khoảng 3-4 tháng clean lần cái nước ngoài sau á, phải xả nó. So you have to rinse the water in the back, in the hot water and cold water container. But alright, let's do this installation here. Alright, my mother-in-law taking out the recycle. I'll put this right over here. There's the manual. Take the manual out. Yeah, so here it is. Brio 2 system, 2-stage system. And all the goodies that come with it. Warranty. And a giant manual. Yep. Okay. So we have to flush the filter before we install it. Trước khi gắn cái máy, gắn cái filter vô là phải xả nước filter trong cái filter, xả nó ra. Mỗi cái là 5 phút. So you have to flush it every filter 5 minutes. This is used for the flushing of the filter. And I think the filter is already on the side. Okay, so before I flush the filter, I have to cut this hose over here. So this is the water line that goes into the fridge. So I cut the line. I'm going to add the adapter that's split into 3 ways. So I bought these. This is at Home Depot, 3-way splitter and extra 10 feet hose that I'm gonna use for the flushing the filter. So cái này mua ở Home Depot á. Cái này là cái adapter để gắn 3 đường vô, 3 ống vô một để nó nước nó vô tủ lạnh và nó vô cái máy bên kia luôn. Còn cái này là cũng mua Home Depot. Cái ống này để gắn để mình xả nước trong cái filter ra trước khi dùng. Mỗi lần mua cái filter mới là phải xả nước trước. Alright. Bây giờ bỏ cái này vô. Plug and play, huh? So đập này vào. Đó, vậy thôi. So that's it. So I just turn on the water from the wall, and I hear water coming into the tank, and it's filling up right now. Trying to make sure there's no spill, nothing is coming out anywhere. No water spill anywhere. Just got this here just in case there's a spill. Đây, mình gắn vô hết rồi đó. Ống này vô đây. Cái này mua Home Depot nè. Ống nước vô đó. Nước vô cái máy và sao. Yeah, so goes in there. Water goes in the tank. And then let the 1 gallon water tank fill up. So it's gonna take about 15 minutes to fill up this tank. And once it fill up, then I'm gonna flush the whole gallon out. So do not turn on the unit yet until the step number 4, okay? Okay, bây giờ là xả nước. I'm gonna drain the cold water first for 1 gallon. So this thing is 1 gallon here, 1.1 gallon. So after you rinse it for 1 gallon hot and cold water, and it's good to drink now. So you gotta hold on to the button so the water comes down. And then for hot water, touch the unlock sensor and then hold on to the hot water button. That's it. LED technology UV care. About 6 months you gotta replace the filter. Water tastes like bottled water. Tastes good. Quality water. Well, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe for more videos and product unboxing. Thank you.